Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to spend a little time with this Polaris ATV here. The front shaft, the shaft that drives the front differential, called a prop shaft, is not working because it's all hollowed out on the inside of the joint down here where it joins the shaft coming out of the main transmission. So to begin with, what you have to do is go down in here and pound that pin out. Once you do that, you can pull this back far enough to get it off of the shaft that's on the front differential. Then what you can do is pull it out of the one back here. Then you take the parts that I got in the box, which include a new differential for this end and a new differential for this end, and you put them on there and hope that there's still enough spline left on the shaft coming out of the transmission to hold on to the universal joint, the new universal joint that you put down here. How's that sound? And quite frankly, we also have to replace the front differential after we get the prop shaft out. So the two things that you got to do here, you got to pull the prop shaft, you got to take the left front wheel off, and then you got to take 4 bolts out that hold the differential down. You got to pull the left front axle, take that off. I'm not sure exactly what order. I've got the write-up to do it. So anyway, that's what we're going to be working on. So good luck to me. All right, to get that drift pin moving, there's not much room to use a hammer down there, and I'm not real good at getting down on the ground, so I got me a impact hammer here, and I ground down a pointed tool so that it would fit in there and at least get that thing started. Then I'll use a regular pin punch. Hopefully that one will fit. If not, I've got a couple smaller ones over here, and drive that on through. So again, wish me luck. All right, so I got the pin out. That was pretty easy. Just for your information, the pin is the perfect punch for that pin is a 5/16. I don't know if you can see that engraved in there or not, but that fit right through the hole all the way. So now we'll see if the story is true that this backs off of here. It's backing off. I don't know how much. I think what I'll do is get a pry bar and see if I can get that off there. A little applied force with a pry bar and selective pounding with a hammer, and it appears to be loose. So let's see if we can get it out where we can pull it loose off of there. All right, I'm going to need both hands for this, so you're just going to have to catch up with me later. Well, I think I found another problem. When I took the top 2 bolts out there, I was expecting to have to take the bottom one out right there. But guess what? The bracket just fell off. Well, let me tell you what I think. I think that rubber puck down there is supposed to be vulcanized to this round disc here. But it's not making, it's not connected anymore. Therefore, I have no motor mount on this side. So, I will be ordering a new motor mount. I wonder if the other one's broke too. Shit. Okay, what? Back at it. Let me see if I can get that shaft out of there. All right, well, the shaft is out. Now I got to figure out how to get these universal joints off. I'm not sure. Let me go look at the new ones. I do have new ones. I need more space. You guys need to subscribe to my channel so I can make lots of money. I don't make any money now, so I'm a long ways away from money. Well, you know, my whole life I've been a long ways away from money. Well, this is the end that goes on the shaft out of the transmission. Hopefully you can see that. Got nice splines in it. Let me just see if I can slide it on there to see if it fits. That's not going to be easy either, is it? Well, it's a little loose, but I think it'll hold. It's not turning. If I grease that up good, I think it'll work. I don't want to have to pull the whole transmission out, although I do have the parts for it. So, what we need to do is figure out how to get this onto here and get this off. And I don't know, those kind of look like rubber, but I'm not sure. So let's go put it in a vise and see what happens. All right, for the other end, they even gave me a brand new pin. So all I got to do is figure out how to get those universal joints apart. Maybe if I looked at one of the new universal joints, it'll give me a clue. I believe that's what these are. Yeah. I'll get this out here. There they are. A new Zerk. Some new clips. See if there's anything else. Nope, nothing else in there. Well, that doesn't give me a clue as to... I'm going to go read the book a little bit, ladies and gentlemen. But at least we got one of the bad parts out of here. This, you know, it could be okay. I don't know. But I'm probably going to change it anyway, since I got one that I paid $500 for. Because I thought that the oil had all leaked out, and they had been running it without oil. I don't know. Well, let's go in, bring up the manual, bring up the parts list and order a new motor mount. Probably should order both of them, unless they cost a lot of money. Alright, so what I learned from Mid-Nebraska Motorsports is that there's a clip on each one of these on the inside, and you need to find the opening, and then see if you can't get that clip loose. And that's not going to be that easy, I don't think. I don't know. You got to find the split first, and I'm not having any luck finding the split. So I'm gonna set you down over here and you can listen to me swear and whatever else I do while I'm supposed to be working. Let's see, is that in there? Yeah, that looks pretty good. Let me turn that down a little bit. You can't really see what I'm doing, but anyway, let me turn this over, see if that splits. There's a split for the other one. So maybe I can get it. I think that's there. Huh. Maybe not. Wait. I think I'm in the split. No. Huh. Wow, these are going to be rusted in. They are totally rusted in. Wonder what the alternative is. This one I can see. Got that one going. Let's see if we can get a pick in there. Maybe. Where is it? Aha. This one up here. No, that ain't gonna come out. Yep, there it is. That's all it is. And there's one of them on each side. So let me see if I can find the other opening here. All right, that seems to do it. Well, folks, a couple of these are being really stubborn, so I'm going to go ahead and continue on to get those universal joints out of there, and then I'll put the new ones in, and I'll just put the caps on them and squeeze them in the vise to get them in the right place, and then put new clips on them, and then I'll have the prop shaft ready to go back in. But the next video, what I'll be doing is taking that front differential out, and I'll put the new differential that I bought in there. I just don't trust that. I think it was running out without oil. Well, it took a lot of fighting, but I finally got these two new ends put on here with new universal joints. And I'm not going to put it in right now because I'm going to change the front differential first. So thanks for watching, folks. See you next time.